And staying with the courts, trouble continues to mount for actor-politician Vijay's much-awaited film Jana Nayagan. In a major setback for the filmmakers, the Supreme Court refused to intervene in the Censor board clearance row, declined to hear the producer's plea for urgent relief. The top court made it clear it is not inclined to entertain the matter, directed the makers to approach the Madras High Court instead. The Supreme Court, in fact, pulled up the producers for rushing directly to the apex court. Remember, this is the film which is being touted as Vijay's political swan song, or his film swan song before his full-time entry into politics in the Tamil Nadu elections that will take place in a few months from now.
The legal and political stakes of a case can be understood when you have no one less than a former Attorney General appearing before the Supreme Court for a production house stating that they have been ruined and that they have lost everything. That's exactly what happened today before the Supreme Court in the case of KVN Productions and actor Vijay, who have both been fighting for the release of their film Jana Nayagan against the CBFC. The Supreme Court has categorically refused to interfere in the matter, with the bench headed by Justice Dipankar Datta asking the makers to go back to the Madras High Court Chief Justice's bench and place their arguments there. In an important direction, however, the Supreme Court has told the Madras High Court to ensure that the matter is decided before the 20th of Jan, which was done on the request of the producers themselves. The Madras High Court had also seen heated arguments between the CBFC and the filmmakers over whether or not the UA certificate should be granted. But it will now be before the 20th of Jan when the Chief Justice's division bench is going to decide as to whether or not the single judge order that had directed the CBFC to grant a UA certificate for the release of the film should stand or should it be vacated. In New Delhi, this is Nalini Sharma for India Today.